Welcome to our discussion for Mathematics 2, the place value. So what is a place value? Place value helps us to know the value of a digit in a given number. In place value, we usually use the place value chart. So what is a place value chart? Place value chart is used to tell the place value of a digit in a number. This is how a place value charts look like. So, how are we going to determine the place value of a number? So first, we have to know what are the place value. Today, we are going to talk about the 4 place value. And these are the thousands, hundreds, tens, and the ones. How are we going to place the following place value in its correct designation in our place value chart? We have here our place value chart. So, for us to know where to place the following place value in our place value chart, we should always start at ones. Let's start at ones. So, we are going to put ones in our place value chart. Or where are we going to put ones in our place value chart? So look at the last column. Where is the last column? Okay, this one. Okay. We are going to put the ones in the last column because this is the correct place of the ones in our place value chart. Remember, we put ones in the last column. Okay, next is this column. We are going to place the tens in this column, of course, because it is the correct place value of tens, or this is the correct place of the tens in our place value chart. And the next column here, we are going to put there the hundreds. Very good. And the last column, we are going to put there the thousand. Okay. Now, that is the correct places of the place value in our place value chart. Now, we all know the place value and its place in their place value chart. Okay, let's try to identify the place value of numbers. Okay, in our last lesson, we talked about the digit of numbers. The 1-digit numbers, 2-digit numbers, 3-digit numbers. So, what is a 1-digit number again? A 1-digit number are numbers starting from 1 to 9. And because it is 1-digit number, we are going to use a 1 place value. And this is the ones. Okay, I have there number 3. That is an example. So, as we says, we use ones in a 1-digit number. So we are going to write 3 in ones. Very good. Another one is the 2-digit numbers. In 2-digit numbers, these are the numbers starting from 10 to 99. And we use tens in a 2-digit number. For example, I have here 12. So, I have here 12. 12 is a 2-digit number. So, are we going to put 12 here in tens? Of course not. Because each place value can hold only one number at a time. Not 2, not 3, only one number. So, what are we going to do? We are going to use 2 place value, which are the tens and the ones. Okay, in 12, we have there number 1 and 2. So, which number are we going to place in tens and which number are we going to place in ones? So, okay, let's start first in finding ones. To find ones, we should look at the last number. Okay. What is our last number in 12? We have there 1 and 2. What is our last number? We have number 2. Very good. Our last number is 2. So, it means that we are going to write the number 2 at the ones. Very good. And look at the number beside the number 2. We have the 1. So, it means if 2 is in the ones, so it means 1 is in the tens. Very good. Another example, I have here 63. If we have here 63, where do we put the 6 and the 3? Okay, remember, we should always start at ones. Okay, what number is in the ones? Okay, you have to look the last number. Okay, very good. We have there 3. So it means 6 is in the tens. Do you understand? Okay, let's proceed to the next one. We have there the 3-digit number, and we says the 3-digit number are numbers starting from 100 up to 99. Very good. And we use 100 in 3-digit numbers. Okay, here's an example. I have here 358. If I have here 358, what are we going to do? Are we going to write 358 in hundreds? Of course not. Just like the tens, we are not going to put all 358 in hundreds because it is 3-digit numbers. And we says that every place value can hold only 1-digit number. So it means it's not. So what are we going to do? Because this is a 3-digit number, so it means we should use the 3-place value. And these are the hundreds, tens, and the ones. Very good. Now let's try to find the ones. Okay? Always start at ones. Okay, what number is in the last? At 358. Look at the number at the last. We have the number 8. Very good. So 8, we put 8 in the ones. Next one. What is the number besides 8? So, what is it? We have the 5. Very good. And the last one is the 100 is the 3. Very good. Another example. We have the 627 or 627. What number are we going to put in ones? We are going to put number 7 at once. Very good. What about tens? What number is in the tens? Very good. We have there 2. And the 100 is number 6. Very good. And the last one is the 4-digit number. We don't talk about it last time, but now a 4-digit number is a number starting from 1,000 to 9,999. So, in 4-digit number, we use the place value of 1,000. Okay. I have here an example. I have here 1,000. Sorry. I have here 1,656. Just like in tens and in hundred, we are not going to put the 1,656 in thousand because this is a 4-digit number. So, what are we going to do? Because this is a 4-digit number, we are going to use the 4-place value, which are the 1,000, hundreds, and the tens and the ones. Okay, let's try to put this one. Okay, in 1,656, we should start to put the ones. Okay, let's identify the ones. What number is in the place value of ones? Look at the number. We have the 1,656. Look at the number at the last. We have their number 6. Very good. Okay, we have here this one, number 6. And next one, in the tens. What is the number in the tens? We have their number 5. Very good. And next one, in hundreds, we have their number 6. Very good. And the last one, for the thousands, we have their, okay, we have their 1. Another example, let's try it. I have here 1,234. So, okay, let's find the ones. What number is in the place value of 1? Okay, very good. We have their 4. What about in tens? We have their number 3. Very good. What about in hundreds? We have their number 2. Very good. And what about in tens? And what about in thousands? We have their 1. Very good. Now, I hope you understand. So let's try another example. I have here a place value chart. So, okay, we have here example number 1. We have here 1,592. Remember, in placing the number in its place value, we should always start at the ones. We have to identify the ones. Okay, let's try. What number is in the place value of ones? We have their number 2. Very good. In tens, we have their number 9. Very good. And in hundreds, we have their number 5. Very good. And in thousands, we have their 1. Okay, next example, we have their 248. 248 is a 3-digit number, so it means we will only use the 3 place value, which is the hundreds, tens, and the ones. Okay, let's try to identify the ones. We have their number 8. Very good. And in tens, we have their number 4. And in hundreds, we have their number 2. Okay. Now, that is the place value. Okay. I hope you understand our lesson for today. That is all. Thank you for listening. I hope you all learned something today.